8. Now today we are discussing mathematics standard 6 lesson number 1, knowing our numbers. Before starting our today's sessions, let's do little physical and mental exercise. Yes, did you hear some sound? Yes, very good. You can do yourself. Okay. Ready with your rough note, ball pen, textbook, etc. I hope up to question number 8 you completed in your fair book. Let's begin for question number 9. Okay student, this information you studied in your previous session. So now here is the question number 9 in your screen. What is the question to read out? To stitch a shirt, 2 meter and 15 centimeter cloth is needed out of 40 meter cloth. How many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? In our previous examples, we found these types of questions. But now here, they ask us in different way. In one question, you have to find out 3 things. First of all, what is the question? Yes, my dear student, you should have to read question 2 times or more than 2 times. The cloth is there. How much cloth is there? Yes, 40 meter. Out of that, one shirt is stitched and used 2 meter 15 centimeter of cloth. What we have to do, student? We should have to addition, multiply, divide or subtraction. No, here we should have to check out. Don't do it directly, minus sign. How many shirts can be stitched? They ask us, not cloth. Yes, we should have to divide. But for division, our first table I told you, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? Yes, my dear friend, you are knowing 100 centimeter. So, convert into 1 unit. Unit means measuring unit. Meter, centimeter and meter, which are different. Check it. We are having 2 meter and 15 centimeter. That means we can write 215 centimeter. Yes. How? See. Very simple way. See, it is shown here. This 2 meter is shown with this way. 2 into 100. And now that meter changed to centimeter. Easy? Okay. Now plus 15 centimeter. 2 into 100, 200, 200 plus 15. Now my answer is here. For first step, 215 centimeter cloth is required to stitch a shirt. One shirt. How many meter of cloth is there? 40 meter. Student, 40 meter cloth is there. So meter to centimeter. Multiply this 40 with 100 and put the unit centimeter, cm. Now Pani Puri, yes, forget about Pani Puri. There is a 4 and 1. 4 ones are 4. How many zeros are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, my dear student, that's a 4000 centimeter. It is written here. Good. I show in very clear way. See student, I am using questions blur. Blur means little bit only you can see. Don't afraid from the question because you are having textbooks. Or whenever you find the PDF, you can write easily. Here we have to see our answers. Okay, let's check for the further. What we have to do for stitching number of short? Yes, this is a division sign. Divide 4000 divided by 215. Do you know how to divide? Big number division? Don't worry, student. Very easy. Take it easy. How many numbers are here? 3. How many numbers are here? 4. Division is possible. How to do? Check first 3 numbers. Let's check. Here is your division. You should have tried. Be careful. So 215 ones are 215. 1 will be here. 215 will be here. So students, here is a little moving left side. So actually 215 will write here like this way. Good. Now 0 minus 5 not possible. Actually it's a now 10 and there is a 9. 9 minus 1, that's a 8, and here is the 3 now. 3 means 3 minus 2, that's a 1. 185 is the answer up to here. Okay, now bringing down this 0, that 0 will come here, will make it 1850. Is it here? Idhar tak? Okay, up to here you are knowing? Yes. Let's check for the further. Okay, now multiply this 215 up to 1850. Write on right side some table format. Yes, 8 za 215 8 za. Let's check what the numbers is coming. 8 5 za 40. 4 is the carryover. 8 1 za 8 4 12. 1 is the carryover. 8 2 za 16 plus 1 17 20. 1720 is the answer. And then after if we add one more time 215, it will be more bigger number. So now this is a minus, this is also minus. You having the 130 as a reminder. And what is the quotient? Quotient means this is the answer. 18 shirts can be stitched with this cloth. Let the answer, how to write this one? 18 shirts can be stitched and 130 centimeter of cloth will remain. Once again 130 will write also like this way. So sometimes you can find this is a 130 centimeter. In place of 130 centimeter I can write here 100 plus 30. Yes, I can write, because 130 is a 100 plus 30. That means 100 means 1 meter. So answer is 1 meter 30 centimeter also correct. So don't worry. Sometimes you can find the answer in this way. Don't be panic. Your answer is right. Both the answer is right. But if you want to write 1 meter and 30 centimeter, it's a most welcome and it's a very good practice to convert this centimeters into meter and centimeter. Okay, we can move for our next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is here. A medicine is packed in box, each weighing 4 kilogram, 5 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? Not understood. Not understood. Yes, I know very well. Read the questions once again. Medicine is packed in box. Have you seen the medicine? Tablets. Yes. In that box of the medicine is weighing 4 kilogram and 500 gram. Okay. Now we are making number of boxes, company wala, and sending to the different cities by a van. Van means a vehicle. It may be anyone. That van cannot carry more than 800 kilogram. Up to 800 enough. Now students, first of all we have to convert into a proper unit. This 4 kilogram and 500 grams converted into the grams. That means kilogram means 1000 grams. 4 is equal to multiply by 1000 is equal to 4000 plus 500. So 4500 grams. See here. Good. Same way 800 kilogram means 800 multiplied by 1000. That's 8 lakh. 8 lakh means you can write 8 lakh divided by, this is the division sign, 4500. Division method you can write like this way also. 8 lakh. A lakh is how many zeros, student? 5 zeros. Okay, very good, student. And divide by 4500. Barabar che? Yes. This is also division method. Numerator and denominator side. Now check out. You can cut number of zeros together. This 2 0 gone. This 2 0 gone. What is the left now? 8000 divided by 45. See, easy. Here I am showing both the method. First I am showing with a sorting method. Then after we can check what is given in our answer. 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90. Not possible. So here I will write 45 only, minus it. So there are so many ways to get the answer, students. Don't stick on any one. The final answer remains the same. Now what's the left here? 5, 3. I am not telling you anything how I did this thing, because you are the student of 6th standard and we already completed number of times the subtraction. I will show you one trick. Add this both number, 45 plus 35. What is the answer? Yes, 80. That means 35 is correct. Bringing down this 0 here, that means now 350. 45 table we have to count up to 350. Yes, my dear student, 45 into 7. On the right side you can write 45, 90, like this way you can write. Okay? 7 jar. 7 5 are, yes, 35. 3 is the carryover. 7 4 are 28 plus 1, 31. 3, 1. Now subtract this one. 5 minus 0, 5, 0 minus 5 not possible. That means a 5. 4 minus 1, that means a 3. And 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now again this 0 has to come down. That means gives you a 315. Yes, just now we did. That means a 7. Okay, then what the left there now? 315 minus, there is a 15 is left. This is the one way. Or you can use our this method altogether. 0 0 zeros are there, number of zeros are there, so don't worry about zeros. 3500. We should have to check number of box only. Number of box can be taken by a van is 177. They not did ask how much weight of that 177 box, otherwise you have to multiply. Understood? Yes, very easy to find out. 8 lakh minus 3500, that is your answer. Now look at the 11th question. Question number 11. The weight of one box sorry, this is the 10th one. Once again it came over here. The distance between school and home. Yes, question is previously given. The distance between school and home is given, and distance between home to school is same. Yes. Now what is the total distance covered by on one day? Yes, plus it. Now distance covered in 6 days means, yes, very good, multiply by 6. That's a very easy answer for you. You can get it. The question is here. The distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Every day she walks both way. Like you are coming to the school from your house, from your home. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 6 days. So first of all, you started from home to school. What is the distance you travel? That is your answer. Yes, you come to the school up to the 1875 kilometer, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Now next one, from school to home you are moving, traveling, covering distance. All the meanings are same. Good. Now look at here, 1875, same distance or कम ज़्यादा होगा? If you are moving to your friend house or somewhere else, it will give the more distance. So be careful. Home to school, school to home. Okay? Understood? Good. What we have to do? What we have to do? Total plus. You total covered distance in one day 3750 meters. So now how many days you are coming to the school? 6 days. So plus 6 times. But we are not doing plus 6 times. We are knowing multiplication is a successive addition. Simply multiply with 6. Do you want division here? Okay, let's start. You can do in your rough note now. And let's check from my answer. 3750 multiply by 6. Chalo. Take your time. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3. Every time sir has to solve the all answer. Not good. Try yourself. I will show you. Don't wait for 1 minute only. Is it easy for 1 minute for everyone? Yes. Now 6 into 0, 0. Whenever you multiply any number with 0, it becomes 0. Now 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30. So 30 means 3 is 0 here and 3 is the carryover. Now 6 7s are, and carry has 2 plus, oh? Yes, 7 6 are 42. Yes, good. 42 plus 3, 44, 45, 46. No, 42 plus 3, 42, then 43, 44, 45. Out of 45, 5 has to come down and 4 is the carryover. Again 3 into 6, 6 3s are 18 plus 4. How much is that? Yes, 22. In a week, in 6 days, the student is covered 22 kilometer and 500 meters. कितना किलोमीटर ये चलते हैं देखो बेटा, एक वीक में हो बेटा, मंथ में बोले तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, 22 kilometer 500 multiplied by 4, minimum 4 week we can take it, sometime 5, no problem. Let's check our answer is right or wrong. Your answer is right. Where you made mistake, correct yourself. 22 kilometer 500. Yes. Take your right hand up, keep it in your bag. Yes, I did it. All of you do this physical exercise and take proud of you. Your answer is right. So distance traveled in 6 days is 22 kilometer 500 meter. We are going to conclude. Our today's last question is 12 number here. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 millimeter capacity can be filled? First of all, you are knowing curd means dahi. Vessels means we can say in Gujarati tapela. Are you visiting the milkmaid shop? They are selling milk and curd. So curd is there, which is the 4 liters and 500 milliliter. They are not selling direct this full vessel of the curd. We are having only little bit only. So they are giving here like this ice cream cup or a plastic cup, small cup. Is it not? And it is having only 25 ml. How much is that, student? 25 ml. एक कप 25 ml का है बेटा. And how many it has? 4,500 ml. Don't subtract. What they ask? How many cups can be filled? So division. Yes, my dear student, that's a division. 4,500 divided by 25. The division is given here, but unfortunately the places of the numbers are shifted. So don't worry, we will do it here over big pink color pen, and you will get little more idea of division. Okay, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. That is not possible. So we can take only 1 and 25 will be here. Subtract this one. 5 minus 5, 0. And 4 minus 2, 2. Bringing down this 0. Now this number become a 200. Good. Now 25 table up to 200. Yes, my dear student, 25 8s are, or we can say 25 4s are 100. So 200 के लिए कितना चाहिए student? 4 2s are 8. So 8, and here is the 200. Understood? Now subtract this 200. Yes, 200 minus 200, that means a 0. 0. 0. 3 times 0. Now what is the next thing? This 0 has to come down. So now one more 0 here. but here not possible. That's why on the quotient side we have to put one more 0, because that time the possibility of division is not there. We have to add 1 0 on the quotient side. Here you have a answer 180 cups of 25 ml can be filled with 4 liter and 500 ml of curd. Easy. Therefore 180 glasses can be filled by curd of 4 liters 500 ml. Here we conclude our exercise 1.2, question number 9, 10, 11 and 12. We can discuss and solve exercise 1.3 in our next session. Till then, goodbye, take care, Shabba khair, Khuda Hafiz, have a good day, thank you.